I'm Dr. Jody Mulena, founder of Better Bicycles and creator of the BriefBike. I just wanted to give you an update on progress with BriefBike. You can see it's unfolding super slick. It's super narrow, you can store it against a wall, and I think it's looking pretty cool. So I hope you'll continue to follow us and check out what's coming over the next year. There's still a lot of work to do to make sure everything works perfectly and we can manufacture it at a good price. We're going to need to raise a little bit more investment to hire the engineers we need to complete that work. And there's going to be a really exciting opportunity for people to invest through a crowdfund in a few months. It continues to be the bike that you can roll along just like a roller case and flick open in half a second, ready to ride wherever you are.